When it comes to improving your home, one of the most impactful decisions you can make is upgrading your windows. Windows are essential for enhancing your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall comfort. While DIY home improvement projects are popular, window installation is one area where hiring professionals is not just a convenience but a necessity. If you're in Mesa, Arizona, choosing professional window installers offers a host of benefits that ensure your investment delivers long-lasting results. Expertise and experience. Professional window installers bring years of hands-on experience to the table. They understand the nuances of different window types, materials, and installation techniques specific to Mesa's climate. From handling vinyl and wood frames to managing energy-efficient glass options, their expertise ensures your windows are installed correctly the first time. Arizona's unique weather, including intense heat and occasional monsoon storms, requires precise installation to protect your home from drafts, water leaks, and energy inefficiency. Professional installers are well versed in these challenges and know how to tackle them effectively. Enhanced energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a top concern for homeowners in Mesa. The desert climate leads to high cooling costs, making it essential to have windows that minimize energy loss. Professional window installers use advanced techniques to ensure an airtight fit, preventing hot air from entering and cool air from escaping. They can also recommend the best energy-efficient windows for your specific needs, such as double pane or low-E glass options. By relying on professionals, you'll benefit from lower utility bills and a more comfortable indoor environment year-round. This not only saves you money but also reduces your home's environmental impact. Proper tools and techniques. Window installation requires specialized tools and techniques to achieve a flawless finish. Professional installers have access to these tools and know how to use them efficiently. From precise measurements to secure sealing, their attention to detail ensures that every window fits perfectly and performs optimally. Attempting to install windows without the proper tools can lead to costly mistakes, including damage to the window or frame, improper sealing, and even safety hazards. By hiring experts, you avoid these risks and ensure a hassle-free installation process. Time-saving. Installing windows is a time-consuming task, especially if you lack experience. A DIY project that might take days can be completed by professionals in a matter of hours. Their streamlined process minimizes disruptions to your daily routine, allowing you to enjoy your new windows sooner. Time is especially valuable in Mesa, where extreme heat can make prolonged outdoor work uncomfortable and potentially dangerous. Professional installers are equipped to handle the job quickly and safely, even in challenging conditions. Warranty protection. Most professional window installation companies offer warranties on their workmanship and the products they install. This provides peace of mind, knowing that any issues arising from the installation process will be addressed promptly and at no additional cost. DIY installations, on the other hand, often void manufacturer warranties due to improper handling or installation techniques. By choosing professionals, you protect your investment and ensure your windows are covered for years to come. Improved home value. High-quality windows installed by professionals enhance your home's aesthetic appeal and market value. Potential buyers in Mesa appreciate the added benefits of professionally installed, energy-efficient windows. They're more likely to see your home as move-in ready, giving you an edge if you decide to sell. Moreover, professionally installed windows contribute to better insulation and noise reduction, creating a more comfortable and desirable living space. These benefits are highly attractive in today's real estate market. Safety assurance. Window installation involves risks, such as handling large glass panes and working at heights. Professional installers are trained to follow safety protocols, reducing the likelihood of accidents or injuries. They also have insurance coverage to protect both you and their workers in case of unforeseen incidents. DIY installations lack these safeguards, putting you at risk of personal injury or liability for damage. By hiring experts, you prioritize safety and avoid unnecessary stress. Local knowledge. Mesa's climate and building codes require specific considerations during window installation. Professional installers are familiar with these requirements and ensure your windows meet all local regulations. This helps you avoid potential fines or complications down the line. Their local knowledge also allows them to recommend the best window styles and materials for Mesa's unique environment, ensuring your home remains comfortable and energy efficient. Choosing professional window installers in Mesa, Arizona, is a smart investment that delivers long-term benefits. From their expertise and efficiency to enhanced safety and energy savings, professional installers ensure your windows perform at their best while adding value to your home. Don't leave such an important project to chance. Trust the professionals to get the job done right and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with superior craftsmanship.